What if your website could research keywords, write full articles and publish them on its own every single day? Let me show you exactly how to build it. In this tutorial, you'll build an AI system that grows a website's search traffic on autopilot. You give it one seed topic, and it researches the keywords people actually search for, writes genuinely useful articles targeting each one, optimizes them for search engines, and publishes them straight to your site on a schedule. This is the same approach I use to run content sites that pull in organic traffic month after month. We'll build it here with free and open tools plus a single AI API, and I'll show you every stage so you can adapt it to your own niche. One important promise up front: we're going to do this the right way, building content that actually helps readers, not spam. Let's get into it. Here's the finished picture, so you know where we're headed. A small FastAPI service takes a single topic and returns published articles. It expands your seed into the specific, long-tail keywords real people type into search. A language model then drafts a structured, on-topic article for each keyword. The system handles on-page SEO automatically, the title tags, meta descriptions, internal links, and structured data, and it publishes each finished article straight to your content system on a daily schedule. You set it up once, and it compounds. Every day your site covers more of your niche, and that coverage is what earns rankings over time. The system is just 5 stages. First, turn a seed topic into a ranked list of keywords. Second, turn each keyword into a drafted article. Third, optimize that draft for on-page SEO. Fourth, publish it to your site. And fifth, schedule the whole loop to run on its own. Here's the design principle that keeps this maintainable. Each of those stages is an independent function that you can run and test in isolation. When your rankings aren't moving or an article comes out wrong, you know exactly which stage to inspect. Build it as a chain of small, honest functions, and the system stays simple no matter how much content it produces. You'll need a few things before we start. Python 3.10 or newer, with FastAPI, which is a fast, modern web framework that's perfect for this. An API key for a language model, OpenAI, or any compatible provider, and you can even point it at a local model. A source of keywords. To start, the language model itself works fine, and later you can plug in a dedicated SEO API for real search volume and difficulty numbers. A content system with a REST API. WordPress is the great default here because almost everything supports it. And finally, cron or a systemd timer to run the pipeline on a schedule. Nothing here is expensive, and most of it is free. Step 1. Install the tools. Create a virtual environment so your dependencies stay isolated. Then activate it. Now pip install FastAPI and Uvicorn. Uvicorn is the server that runs your app, plus the OpenAI client for talking to the language model, and HTTPX for calling your content system and any SEO APIs. That's the entire toolchain, a web framework and 2 API clients, 4 packages, and your content engine has everything it needs to run. Step 2, and this is the backbone of the whole design. Model the unit of work as data, a single article object. It has a target keyword, a title, a body, a meta description, and a status that starts as draft. Here's why this matters. Every stage of the pipeline simply fills in more of this one object. Keyword research sets the keyword. Drafting fills the body and title. The SEO stage fills the meta and enriches the body. Publishing flips the status to live. Because the data model is the contract between stages, each function stays small, and you can reason about the whole flow at a glance. Step 3. Keyword research. Long-tail keywords are the specific, multi-word searches like best budget espresso machine for small kitchens, rather than just espresso machine. They have less competition, which is exactly where a newer site can actually rank and win traffic. The simplest version, shown here, just asks the language model for 10 long-tail queries around your seed and cleans up the list. It costs almost nothing and gets you moving today. When you're ready to be data-driven, swap this one function to call a real SEO API, so you get true monthly search volume and difficulty scores. And because it's isolated, nothing else in the pipeline changes. Step 4. Drafting the article. For each keyword, we ask the model for a helpful, accurate piece with clear H2 section headings and no filler. I want to stress this. The prompt is the most important part of the entire system. A lazy prompt gives you thin, generic content that search engines have gotten very good at ignoring. So be demanding, ask for specifics, concrete examples, real structure, and an honest, expert tone. You can also feed the model an outline or facts you've gathered to ground it. This step is where one keyword becomes one genuinely useful draft, and quality here determines everything downstream. Step 5. On page SEO. Often the difference between content that ranks and content that never gets seen. We do 3 things automatically. We generate a meta description at the right length, around 155 characters, so it displays cleanly in search results. We weave internal links to your existing pages, which helps search engines understand how your site fits together and spreads ranking strength around. And we append JSON-LD structured data, so your pages become eligible for rich results like star ratings and FAQs. Each touch is small and mechanical, but across hundreds of articles they compound into a real structural advantage. Step 6. Publishing. WordPress and most modern content systems expose a REST API, so a single authenticated post creates a fully formed post with your title, body, and excerpt. One critical security note: authenticate with an application password, which is a scoped, revocable credential, never your main account password, and always store it as a secret, never hard-coded in your source. The instant this call returns, your article is live on your site. No dashboard, no copy-paste, no manual formatting. This is the step that turns a pile of drafts into a growing, published library. Step 7 ties all the stages together behind a single FastAPI endpoint. You post a seed topic to /run, and the service expands it into keywords. Then for each one it drafts, optimizes, and publishes an article. Look at how little code this is, because every stage was written as a clean, single-purpose function. The orchestration is about 5 lines. That's the entire payoff of building in stages. The hard part was never the plumbing, it was making each piece good, and now they just click together. You can run this locally with Uvicorn, and hit it from your browser to watch it work. A quick but important word on doing this responsibly, because it matters both for your results and ethically. Modern search engines are explicitly built to reward content that genuinely helps people, and to penalize thin, mass-produced, duplicated pages. So spammy automation doesn't just feel wrong, it actively fails. Keep a human in the loop reviewing output until you truly trust it. Write for readers first and search engines second, and make each article earn its place with real value. Your own examples, real data, genuine expertise. Used this way, the engine doesn't manufacture spam. It scales the good content you'd want to publish anyway. Step 8. Automation, the piece that makes it hands-free. One cron line hits your endpoint every morning with a seed topic, so a fresh batch of optimized, published articles goes out daily while you sleep. On a real server, I'd use a systemd timer instead of plain cron, because it gives you clean logs, survives reboots, and makes failed runs easy to spot. Feed it a rotating list of seed topics, or have the model suggest trending angles in your niche, and your site's topical coverage expands on its own every single day. That daily compounding is the whole point. Let's recap the whole system in one breath. You model each article as a data object that the pipeline gradually fills in. You expand a seed topic into long-tail keywords, with the model now in an SEO API. Later, you draft with specific, structured prompts, because prompt quality is everything. You automate the on-page SEO, the meta descriptions, internal links, and schema, and you publish through your content system's API on a schedule. That is a complete, responsible AI content engine in a few hundred lines of code, and every piece is something you can build this weekend. That's the whole system, start to finish. The full code and the scene spec are linked in the description, so you can clone it and adapt it to your own niche today. If this was useful, hit subscribe. The next episode builds autonomous AI agents that run real tasks on a schedule, entirely on their own, using this same build it in stages approach. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.